Okay guys, I am at the Honda booth, EICMA 2025. I'm David Archibald, and I'm gonna take you through it, so check it out. Thanks. First up, African Twin. This is the 1100 Africa Twin. Electronic suspension. I think Honda's been using this exact same sand for every year for a while. The red looks good. Here is a Venture scooter. Looks pretty good. Okay, they got a Rally 300 and a CRF 300L. But let's get into the meat and potatoes of the show. Most of their bikes were undercover for most of the morning, so we can finally see what they have. CB1000. In black. CB1000 GT. CB1000 Hornets. CB125s. All right, let's go see some main bikes here. What do we got? Hornet, maybe Hornet 500, maybe? CB1000 in silver, CB1000 GT. And the 500. Some accessories on African Twin here. Okay, CBR Fireblade. Everybody's got the red, white, and blue bikes this year. BMW also. CBR 600. The booths are a lot busier this year, which is a good sign for motorcycling. CBR 500RR. Another Africa Twin. We got a lot of Africa Twins in here. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we got a roped off bike. I think this is RC V-twin bike. Let me try to get a better look at it here. Sorry guys, hard to see a bike with people everywhere. Here we go. So I'm not sure, maybe a V3R. That's what they got up here, V3R. V-twin bike though, looks good. I like that. Reminds me of the RC51, that V-twin. Okay, scooters are okay, we got out of that crowded area. We got a Dax here. And a monkey. Super Cub, looks like it hasn't changed much. And a Grom. They have some new scooters, or electric motorcycle actually. Pretty wild. It's pretty wild, this electric bike. Let's see what it's called here. A WN7 is called. WN7. Okay, we'll take a look at some dirt bikes now in the motocross area. 450 RX. .300 RX. 250 RX. We get over to the motocross and the dirt bikes in the crowd is a lot thinner out. So Super Motard 450 RX. Awesome bike right there. That's for sure.
Motard.
CRF 125 and of course the 110 and 50. Okay, so some proper race bikes. CRF 250R. And a 450. And a CRF 150. And look at that. A work of art for sure. The first ever flat track bike with carbon frame. A DMT 450. Flat tracker. That thing's pretty cool. And then a CRF 450 RX Rally. Another awesome bike. All right. Some more scooters. These adventure scooters are pretty impressive. All right. There's a CBR 650R E-clutch. CB 125s. 500 Rebel. Rebels. 110 or 1100 Rebel with a fairing. And then the Gold Wings. Airbag, Gold Wing. Couple GB 350s. Couple custom GB 350s. There's a scrambler version. Of the CL 500. All right, there you guys have it. The Honda booth. There are some race bikes over here. Let me go find them for you. Honda always has racers here signing autographs with their real bikes. So let's see what we got here. Okay, we got Fireblade. We have Dean Harrison's UK racing bike. Honda Viiir. Adrian Fernandez. And MotoGP Johan Zarco. And MotoGP World Champion Luca Marini's bike. And a couple of custom bikes. Got a photo booth. You could lean the bike in a corner. And some clothing collections for clothing. Quite a bit of clothing from Honda this year, looks like. Some vintage stuff. And there you have it. That's the Honda booth for 2025 EICMA. Thanks for tuning in with me. Appreciate it.